Looking for a showstopper for this year's Thanksgiving table? This recipe is the one. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a cranberry wine sauce that's going to wow your guests, not just with the color, but also the way it pairs perfectly with that roasted salmon. We're going to start off by cooking our salmon, and today I'm using MOWI Salmon. They come in 2 portion packs, and that means you can make it for a small crowd or a large crowd. We're going to season it very simply with salt and pepper, because the star of the show is that cranberry sauce. Okay, pop this into a hot oven, and while the salmon is cooking, it's time to pull out our cranberries. These cranberries are gonna cook perfectly with a nice bottle of Merlot. That Merlot is gonna add a lot of depth and flavor to this sauce. Pour it into a saucepan. Cranberries go in. Let's add some brown sugar to this. I'm gonna peel and cut a piece of ginger in half, pop that in there, few smashed cloves of garlic, and let that come to a simmer. You want to simmer this for about 15 minutes until all those cranberries pop. Okay, let's remove the garlic and the ginger and grab your blender. Blend that away and take a look at this sauce. Now this sauce color definitely brings me into the mood of the holiday season. Our salmon is roasted, and have fun putting this together. Drizzle some on top and serve right away. There's a reason why this holiday is my absolute favorite. Pairing cranberries, wine, and salmon together is one of the best ways to celebrate it.